In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly link in just 5 minutes. Calendly is an excellent tool for scheduling appointments effortlessly, and I'll guide you through the entire process to have you up and running in no time. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly homepage by typing in the URL calendly.com. Once you're on the website, look for the Login button. It's usually located on the upper right-hand corner. Click on it so you can access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll find an option to sign up. It's a straightforward process that requires just a few minutes of your time to set up. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Calendly homepage. Here, you'll see a dashboard that features all your scheduling preferences and events. This is your central hub, so get familiar with it because you'll be coming back here often as you use Calendly more and more. Next, locate the panel on the left side of your home page. This is where you'll find the Create button. Clicking on this button will initiate the process to set up your event. It's here where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to input essential details of your meeting preferences, such as duration, participants, or any specific instructions for those attending. Take your time to fill this in according to your needs, as it will define the structure of your calendar invitations. Once you've completed this step, you will see the Save and Close option. Clicking this will save all your entered details, and just like that, your event is created. You'll want to pay special attention here, as without saving, all the details you have worked on might not be finalized. After that, it's time to make your event accessible to others. Go back to the main dashboard again and find your event under Event Types. Here, you'll see an icon for each event you've created. Click on your desired event, and you'll find the Copy Link option. By clicking on it, you effectively copy the link that you can now share with anyone who needs to book a time with you. Feel free to paste it in an email, a messaging app, or embed it on a website if that suits your needs. And there you have it, a straightforward walkthrough to creating your Calendly link. This tool is perfect for making scheduling as smooth and effortless as possible, whether you're freelancing, working within a bigger company, or simply keeping your personal life organized. By following these steps, you can ensure that you and others are just a click away from connecting at the best time for everyone. Just remember, with Calendly, your schedule works for you, so take advantage of it. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!